Now let's talk about editing the pages. Over here, we're going to click on Pages up at the top. This is the build where we can include the elements, but we want to click on Pages. And what's over here on the left will be included here on the web page. And so let's take a look at what we need. Our first is reading. So make sure you specify with your teacher, talk to them, and make sure that they know, that you know what pages are included. Okay. So then I'm going to go back. So now I've got reading, blog, portfolio, contact. And I'm going to have a page for self-reflection. And I'm going to change that blog page to self-reflection. And make sure the name changes up here. That's how you know it'll stay when you go back. And I want one for writing process. And I'm going to create a new one here. Standard page, writing process. Notice, oh, here we go, writing process. Done. And let's see, work samples. This is might be where I put work samples instead of portfolio. And then under the professional section, that's where we'll include the resume and all that important stuff. Change it. Also, we may be changing the names over here, but that's not changing any content over here. So you'll still have to edit these. If you would prefer to just delete and start over, that's totally an option as well. These are your extension activities. Done. And then your About Me page. And let's see. Yep, we'll add a new one. Standard. Oops. Copy. Paste. There we go. And done. So that'll be all of your pages. Now, for your extensions, you can have each of your extension activities on its own page. If that's something you want to do, you can click on here. We can add another one, and you can give this a title, personal reflection, school reflection, whatever you want to call it. And where did it go? Personal reflection. So if I want this on the extension page, first I'm going to drag it right underneath extensions, and then I'm going to drag it to the right a little bit so that it is indented. That way, when I click on the extensions, personal reflection is one of the drop-down options.